Welcome back to our channel, Aspiring Millionaires, to a journey of financial empowerment and legacy building. Becoming the first millionaire in your family is more than a goal. It's a testament to discipline, strategic planning, and a transformative mindset shift. Join me as we explore the essential steps that pave the way to financial success, providing you with the tools and insights needed to embark on this ambitious venture. Let's dive into the blueprint for creating a wealth-building legacy and setting the stage for generations to come. This is your roadmap to becoming the first millionaire in your family. Here are the essential 11 steps that will steer you towards achieving financial success on this transformative journey. Let's get started. Number 1, acquire financial education. Knowledge stands as a pillar of strength, particularly in the realm of finance. Initiate your journey by delving into the fundamentals of finance, investment strategies, and market dynamics. Resources such as books, online courses, podcasts, and seminars are invaluable. Understanding the intricacies of money forms the bedrock of wealth creation. Number 2, cultivate a robust work ethic. Success is a fruit of labor. Be ready to invest the time and effort necessary to realize your goals. This may involve working extra hours, taking on supplementary roles, or advancing your education to augment your earning potential. Number 3, diversify income streams. Hinging solely on one income source can be precarious. Explore avenues to diversify your income, be it through stock investments, real estate ventures, launching a side business, or engaging in freelance work. Number 4, embrace a frugal lifestyle. Wealth accumulation extends beyond earnings. It involves prudent saving and investing. Embrace a frugal lifestyle by prioritizing saving over spending. Practice judicious budgeting, steer clear of unnecessary debts, and make conscientious spending choices. Number 5, execute wise investments. Investment plays a pivotal role in wealth building, whether in the stock market, real estate, or entrepreneurship. The key is to commence early and invest judiciously. Conduct thorough research or seek guidance from a financial advisor for well-informed decisions. Number 6, establish clear goals and plans. Clear, measurable financial goals are indispensable. Whether it's saving a specific amount, achieving a particular income level, or reaching a predetermined net worth, set these goals and craft a meticulous plan to attain them. Number 7, build networks and seek mentorship. Cultivating a supportive network is invaluable. Seek mentors who have treaded the path of financial success and can offer guidance derived from their experiences. Number 8, maintain resilience and adaptability. The journey to millionaire status will undoubtedly present challenges. Remain resilient, learn from setbacks, and be willing to adapt your strategies as circumstances demand. Number 9, give back. As your wealth grows, consider ways to contribute to others. Whether through philanthropy, mentorship, or investing in community initiatives, giving back not only benefits others, but also brings fulfillment and enrichment to your own life. Number 10, stay informed and educated. In the ever-evolving landscape of finance, continuous education is paramount. Stay informed about financial trends and opportunities. Remaining up to date is pivotal for making sound financial decisions. Number 11, choosing growth-minded connections. To achieve financial success and personal growth, it's crucial to surround yourself with individuals who share a growth mindset and ambitious goals. Sometimes, this may mean making difficult decisions about the company you keep. If certain family members or friends exhibit poor thinking habits, lack clear goals, or are less focused on education, it might be beneficial to maintain some distance. While it's important to cherish and respect familial bonds, aligning yourself with individuals who share your aspirations and commitment to personal development can be a catalyst for financial achievements. Surrounding yourself with a circle that values growth and education can inspire you to reach new heights and overcome challenges on your journey towards success. Remember, your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset, so choose wisely and strive for a network that empowers and uplifts you. Becoming the inaugural millionaire in your family transcends mere wealth accumulation. It entails setting a precedent and establishing a lasting legacy. Armed with determination, astute financial practices, and a commitment to ongoing learning, you can attain this extraordinary milestone. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but also about the journey and the person you become along the way. And remember, if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Your support is what keeps us motivated to bring you valuable information on your journey to financial success.